In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Calendar offline. By the end, you'll be able to see and manage your schedule even when you don't have an internet connection, which is really helpful when you're traveling, commuting, or dealing with spotty Wi-Fi. First, make sure you're on a computer using a supported browser like Chrome and that you're signed into the Google account whose calendar you want to use. Offline access is set up per browser and per account, so if you switch computers or browsers later, you'll need to repeat these steps there. Let's start by opening Google Calendar. In your browser's address bar, type calendar.google.com and press enter. This takes you to the main Google Calendar page where you can see your events laid out by day, week, or month. Give it a moment to fully load, especially if you have multiple calendars or a lot of events. Once your calendar is visible, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear-shaped icon, which is the settings menu. Click on this gear icon. This menu is where Google keeps most of the tools for configuring how your calendar works and looks. After you click the gear icon, a drop-down menu appears. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click Settings. The page will change to a more detailed settings view with different categories listed on the left-hand side. This area controls everything from your time zone to notification preferences, and it's also where the offline feature lives. On the left sidebar of the settings page, scroll if you need to, and look for the section labeled Offline. When you see Offline, click on it. This will open the offline settings for Google Calendar. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're not zoomed in too far on the page and that you're using a desktop browser rather than a mobile app, since offline setup is usually managed from the web version. Now you'll see the setting that allows you to turn offline access on. There should be a button or toggle that says something like Turn on Offline Calendar. Click on Turn on Offline Calendar. When you do this for the first time, Google Calendar may ask for permission to store data on your device. This is because it needs to download copies of your recent and upcoming events so they're available when you're not connected to the internet. Confirm any prompts that appear and give it a little time to sync your events in the background. Once offline access is turned on and the initial sync is done, you'll be able to open calendar.google.com in this same browser even without an internet connection. You can view your events, and depending on Google's current features, you can often create or edit events while offline. Those changes will automatically sync the next time you go back online. To keep everything working smoothly, try not to clear your browser's site data for Google Calendar, because that's where your offline information is stored. And remember, offline access only applies to this particular browser and device. If you switch computers, you'll need to repeat these setup steps there. That's all there is to it. You've now turned on offline calendar in Google Calendar, so your schedule stays accessible wherever you are, whether you're connected or not.